Model, 2016 Isuzu D-Max Utah Vision Double Cab TD Auto Rear Diff needs replacing 83 km No Vat. Body, blue 4x4. Mileage, 83,974. MOT, the 30th of May 2026. Engine, 2499 cc Ford JK1 Intercooler E5. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The rear differential will need repairing or replacing. You can visibly see it has movement when engaging into gear. Straightforward replacement or repair job. Engine and gearbox are perfect, nice, genuine, well maintained, low mileage, great specification, pickup, grin. Condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine, honest pickup. Features: 2 former keepers, tow hitch, air con, reversing camera, 2 keys, cruise control, parking sensors, alloy wheels, tow bar, electric windows. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £11,350 plus VAT. Contact us, 01564333466.